Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are diving into something interesting. Yes, how to create an AI Copilot using Microsoft Copilot Studio. Before diving into the video, if you haven't watched my previous video on creating an AI agent using Microsoft Copilot Studio that extracts information from public website and create a Copilot integrated to Microsoft Teams, I highly recommend you to watch the video. The link for the video is on the right. As I have mentioned previously that in today's video, we are going to develop an AI Copilot using Microsoft Copilot Studio, but this time we are going to extract the information from SharePoint document and integrate that knowledge into your website. Whether you want to build an AI assistant for customer service or building a smart agent for your website, then Microsoft Copilot Studio has got you covered.
This is the future.
In this video, we are going to see how to extract the information from SharePoint documents and create an AI-powered Copilot which answers questions and provides summaries and so on. So you need to go into the copilotstudio.microsoft.com and create a new agent. You're going to skip to configure and give it a name. I'm going to give my website, which is Codemaze AI Assistant. Okay. If you want to change your icon, then feel free to do so. And this one is, you can write the description like this. AI assistant that helps to answer various questions about Codemaze Limited, Codemaze Limited, and the services that Codemaze is offering. You are, I'm going to give an instruction for the AI agent. You are a helpful assistant to answer customer queries about Codemaze Limited. Please answer personal all item. Okay. So here I'm going to add the SharePoint knowledge. Before going into this, we should see what are the information that are available in the Codebase document, the document that you want to extract the knowledge from. This is the Codebase document which I have prepared, which shows what is Codebase and also our core services and use cases, tools and tech stack that we normally use, and what makes Codemaze unique, like deep experience in both AI development and enterprise data governance and AI governance, real world deployment in regulated industries, strong IP in reusable components and accelerators, and trusted by UK and international clients. So these are some of the SEO tags which I have used in this document: AI consulting and data science strategies, Microsoft Copilot consultants, and Databricks experts. That's a sample document which I have prepared about Codemaze and also some contact information. So I'm going to use this information and the Copilot Studio is going to extract the information from this document and answer any queries that the customers may have. So let's get started. So here is the document which I have prepared for the Codemaze Copilot, and I'm going to add the knowledge here. Click on Add Knowledge, and you're going to use SharePoint and browse the files. So I'm going to use this document and confirming the selections and adding the knowledge. So that is it. I'm going to click on Create. This will take a couple of seconds to setting up the agent. On the right, you can test your agent. What is Codemaze? On the right, you can test, ask questions. So this is going to retrieve the information from the document that we have uploaded and says that Codebase is a specialist AI and data consulting firm that helps organization unlock the true value of their data. Whatever that we have, um, uploaded in the document. So you can see the knowledge and everything. Similarly, so this is the document that we have uploaded. And similarly, we can ask what are the services provided by Cognizant. So again, it says that these are the core services provided by Codebase, everything from the document, AI strategy and solution architecture, and data engineering and modelization, AI, responsible AI and governance, custom Copilot development and training and enablement. So this is all have been picked up from this reference, which is Codebase Consulting Services document. And you can also download it when you click on it. You can able to download the document and see what's available. So similarly, other what are the tech stack? What are the tech stack that Codebase use? So this says that these are the tech stack, which is Azure, OpenAI, and open source LLMs. These are the documents. These are the tech stack that we have mentioned in the document. Let's go and see what's available. So that's LLM, Hugging Face, LangChain, Databricks and Snowflake, Azure, Synapse. So everything is from the document, and it doesn't making it up. So which means that it doesn't have any hallucinations because we turned off all the general knowledge that's been picked up. For it answers the questions based on the document and the knowledge source, which is Codebase Consulting Services that we have uploaded. So that is it. How we are happy with the results. So I'm going to publish it. So click on publish. So you can also use authenticate manually and request users to sign in. So once your agent is published, you can also look into the different channels. Go to channels and can publish in a demo website. Write a welcome message. How can I help? So you can also give some conversation starters, provide some common trigger phrases. And also you can share your website. So you can copy the link to the website and save. You can copy this and create a client ID and secret. So that's how we integrate the knowledge from a SharePoint document to the website. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any comments, write it in our comment section. I'll see you in the next video.
This is the future. Evolution.